Hello, tfal. Illum l-istorja li se naqraw hija bl-Ingliż u mhux bil-Malti u l-istorja hija dwar xi kelb partikolari jismu Spot. Ma nafx tafu xi kelb jismu Spot, popolari ħafna. Il-ktieb huwa dan. So, I'm going to switch to English. The story's name is Spot Goes to the Farm. Story by Eric Hill. Għanna kif ħankun nista' nara l-istorja. Inżel Janina. Mela. Spot goes to the farm. I have some baby animals to show you, Spot. Let me find them, Dad. Are they in the barn? Moo! Let's see. No calves here. No baby cows. Are they in the stable? Ooh. What color is the stable? It's green, just like my pullover, right? Or jumper. Oh, I forgot to open it. No foals here. Who's hiding behind the bush? Who do you think is behind the bush, children? Only joking. Who is it? It's a bunny rabbit. Bunny rabbits don't go tweet tweet. He was only joking though. And who's that hiding in the straw? No chicks here. Hurry up, Spot! Bah, bah, bah. Who do you think is behind that? Shall I open it? Yes. I can't find any lambs. They are sheep, not lambs. Lambs are baby sheep. Spot! Get out of the pond! Quack, 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 quack. Who do you think is behind? Shall we see? I'm looking for my ducklings. She's looking for her baby ducks. Ducklings. Honk! Quick, Spot, follow me. I'm quite curious though. Shall I move this? Shall I flip it open? She scared him away. Here they are. Shall I open the gates? Yes. Aww. Hello, piglets. Ooh, baby pigs. Piglets. They're adorable. Come on, Spot. There's nothing in there. Do you think so? Meow. What do you think is in there? Meow. You guessed it right. Cats. Actually, a cat and kittens. Wait, Dad! Kittens! Meow, 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 meow! Oh, look how cute they are. So this is Spot's mom, okay? She's asking him a question. Did Dad show you the piglet, Spot? Yes. And then found some kittens to show Dad. Aw, such a sweet story. Did you like the story? I'm afraid you cannot comment since you are kids. However, you can always give me a thumbs up if you like it. Okay? Just thumbs up. Wait. Thumbs up!